What are you gonna do?
Shave?
You gonna shave?
Yeah.
Shave.
Who did you see it from? Who taught you how to shave?
Daddy.
Daddy? Okay, here, shave.
Shave. Shave. Wow.
Backwards, like this. Like this? Put it this way. Yeah, like that. Here, show them. Show them. Shave.
No.
Are you done?
You're a big man, alright.
Other side. Look, you have a lot right here. Okay. Okay, you done?
Nope.